Is eBay dropshipping dead? Well, maybe if you're still operating like it's 2016. I often hear from a lot of people who try eBay dropshipping and didn't find success. But my first question usually is, how long did you actually try? Well, more often than not, their effort lasted less than a week. Listen, we entered 2024 and the online business landscape, especially in e-commerce, is evolving rapidly. So customers now expect more than just products. They seek professionalism. It's crucial for anyone entering this space to have a realistic expectation. So success on eBay dropshipping requires persistence, adapting to the growth curve of online business, and understanding the evolving dynamics of customer needs on platforms like eBay. Now, it's a commitment to gradual, sustained growth, align your business model with the reality of the digital marketplace in 2024. All right, so let's just think about the key focus areas to build a successful eBay dropshipping business. While web design is a crucial element in Shopify dropshipping, for eBay dropshipping, the game changes slightly. It's less about web design and more about strategic product research and listing. Sure, the first impressions matter. So having a professional looking eBay store with a well-designed logo and a compelling store description helps you build credibility, yes. But what really sets a successful eBay dropshipping business apart is their ability to pick winning products. These are products that not only resonate with the audience, but also fit within eBay's selling limits for new sellers. Now, let's take a look at this standout eBay dropshipping success story today. This isn't just any regular eBay store, it's an example of a seller who's mastered the art of the product selection and store management. And I'm talking about seller Clutch Retail USA. They generated an impressive revenue of $62,563 with an estimated profit of at least $6,000 using Amazon as a supplier in the last 30 days. And all thanks to their in-depth, detailed product research and strategic listing approach. All right, so time to dive into the step-by-step journey of how successful sellers have carved their path to independence with eBay dropshipping. So we will unravel their strategies, exploring the suppliers that they rely on, and reveal how they pinpoint those winning products. So let's jump in my computer right now and get the inside scoop on their success formula. And the first thing is to set up your eBay account. So setting up your eBay account is the first leap. So you have to choose a name that resonates with your business, craft a business description that reflects your brand's spirit. And yes, a catchy profile image or logo does add the extra zing of professionalism. Then you have choosing the right products, because product selection is where the magic happens. And your goal is to find products that sell like hotcakes but aren't swamped by competitors. So look for items with solid demand. We're talking about at least 2 sales in the last 7 days or 4 sales in 14 days. And keep an eye for the sweet spot of at least 10% profit margin or more. Depends on your supplier. And market research is your secret weapon. So here in the top, we have to set your seller's settings correctly. So initially, we're gonna focus on giants like Amazon and Walmart as suppliers, okay? Let's choose Amazon. And this approach is perfect for newbies to their reliable service and fast shipping. And here you can see a list of products that are very successful on eBay, that are having amazing demand and they're ready to list. Look at this. Then you have just to choose one of these products that fit our criteria. So now let's take a deep dive into the competitor research. And since we're here already in the dashboard, in the market insights dashboard, this is what we're gonna do. This is how we can spy on successful eBay sellers and uncover the best selling products and adapt their strategies. So you come here, anywhere you see this little detective icon, you can click it. And once you do that, you will see the status and all the products of this competitor, all the products. So all you have to do is to go over these products here, see which one fits your criteria. Then you click the item finder. The item finder will find this product on Amazon, which is our supplier, like this, and you will see the price and the profit, and then you can save to a folder. But now you can also use competitor research in a different way. You can go to eBay, for example. You go to eBay, and then you find a seller, for example. You just copy the name of the seller, and then you paste in the competitor research tool like this. Exactly. And then you're going to see the status, and then you're going to see the same thing, the products and everything. So don't forget the autopilot feature. And this tool is a game changer for scaling your store. Trust me, it automates finding those winning products, saving so much time. So basically you click here and then autopilot, and then you click here to start a new scan. And once you do that, you choose your supplier, Amazon, and then you have all these filters to fill in. But remember, to place at least 2 sales in 7 days or 4 sales in 14 days. So I'm going to place here 4 sales in 14 days, and then that's it. The results will come up. Let's look. All right, and the scan is ready, and then you click here to see the results, and look at this, all these products for you ready to list. Now let's talk about listing products on eBay, because listing products is where precision meets efficiency, and tools like AutoDS are your ally here, automating all the process and keeping your prices competitive. And remember, a well-optimized title is also key to getting noticed. So you go to your product folder here like this, and products that we saved in this video, and then you click upload all or upload selected, and then this pop-up is gonna show up here, and then you're gonna choose the lister, AutoDS, your store, fill all this information, and then you click upload, and then it's gonna upload all the files to AutoDS, and then you take it from there. And there you have it, my friends. It's a roadmap to kickstarting your eBay dropshipping business with Amazon as your starting supplier. Now, remember that this journey is about persistence and smart strategies and adapting as you grow. So stick with us, apply these tactics, and watch your business thrive. So don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe, keep moving forward, and see you next time.